Hello guys, today video about Python developer roadmap. If you want to become a Python developer in 2026, don't worry. Here is the complete roadmap in simple steps for beginners. Step 1. First learn Python basics like variables, loops, functions, conditions and object oriented programming. Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages. Step 2. Practice coding every day to improve your logic and problem solving skills. Start with simple programs like calculator apps, number guessing games, and pattern printing. Step 3. Learn SQL databases. Learn SQL and databases because every application stores data. Learn select, join, group by, and database connections with Python. Step 4. Then start web development using Django or Flask frameworks. These frameworks help you build websites and APIs. Step 5. Build projects. Build real world projects to improve your skills and portfolio. Create websites, automation tools, APIs, or mini apps. Step 6. Upload your project to GitHub and start applying for internships and developer jobs. A strong portfolio can help you to get hired faster. Following this roadmap consistently, practice daily, and you can become a Python developer in 6 to 8 months. Thank you.